Alright guys, welcome back. It's going to be a quick update, short and sweet, but a lot has been done. So what you'll see as you kind of walk into here now, we have some more equipment coming in. So we have our new double door fridge, which is nice and beautiful and it has fingerprints on it already. We have our third prep sink, which is going to be plumbed in a couple of days when they finish up all the other plumbing. We also have the biggest update yet, I feel. I know I say that every single time, but the drop ceiling has been put in, and now we have 10 beautiful LED lights that are brightening up our entire space. And the nice thing is, like, once the roof has actually been on it, it actually feels a lot bigger in here now. So you'll see what maybe, I don't remember what I said in the last video, but maybe this was not here. So you can also see our dishwashing area. It has been plumbed in from an electrical standpoint, but not a water standpoint. So once that's all done, what we'll do is we'll reattach the kind of the dishwashing area here, which is kind of a nice big thing as well. What really starts bringing it together and how you can see, how close we're getting is past these dirty curtains that we're replacing. We also have now our cooler space. So for reference, this is approximately 8 by 10. This is like the same size fridge that we're using in our current space, but we only have a few shelves. Now we have access to all of this. But in addition to that, as I mentioned before, we're also gonna be building the meals inside the cooler. So we have some tabling set up in 2 areas right now, which are gonna be where they're gonna be living. But we also have 1 temporary spot as well. But things are still open to interpretation. We're gonna have to see how it works and how we like it and what's most efficient and kind of go from there. But the nice thing is we have all of our raw inputs that will be stored over here. And then on the back side behind Mark is where we're gonna be having all of our cooked meals, so it will be kept all separately. And then we are gonna have a subcontractor in the space for a little while, so they have their own area as well. So now we have all this space, and we're super excited to use it. We've also had a lot of little touch-ups done here and there. So what you'll see in the staff room area is on the drywall is that we're having kind of everything re-mud and taped around the big openings. And they'll be back tomorrow to kind of sand and finish off the aesthetic part. And then this weekend, we're gonna be installing all the remainder of the baseboard as well as our last coat of paint. So then it will really be, getting ready. We also had IKEA call us. They let us know that our cabinets, which have been missing for a couple weeks now, are gonna be in stock on February 22nd. So right before our inspection happens, we'll be able to throw those on and really bring the space together. We've also ordered some mirrors for our bathrooms, which we were kind of missing before because the plumbers are in charge of the vanity as well as the toilet, but nothing, aesthetic wise. So we still have the accessibility bars, the mirrors, and everything else. Hi. Hello. Hey. And then we also have had some of the grills installed. You'll see this one is missing. However, the one behind Mark up here is actually on. So we have the last 3 grills being delivered on February 22nd. So literally finishing touches. And apart from that, there's nothing too much to report, but we'll do a final walkthrough when it's all done. But I think that we're getting quite close, and I think that you guys will be able to see that now. And let us know, should we do a big launch party and invite a bunch of people to come check out the space? We can finish up the office and the racks, or the kitchen, I mean. Let us know, what do you guys think?